Today's video, we will discover how to create a folder in Microsoft Visual Code. Well, first step is to create a folder on your desktop. Create it and name it anything you want. I will just name it test folder, and when the folder is created, I will head over to the Microsoft Visual Code, and then on the top bar of the screen you can see multiple tabs. I will click on the file tab and will drag my mouse to the open folder option, and here you can browse the folder you have created. Open the folder. After selecting it, and here you go, the folder is showing here. Now drop down the folder menu, and as you can see multiple icons. Click on the second icon where it says new folder, and here you go, you have just to rename the folder. I will just create it folder 2, and there you go. Your new folder has been successfully created on Microsoft Visual Studio Code. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel.